So I think the task and the job of testing and the way it's managed has kind of, or the way it's managed, it is kind of a factor there. Because testers, if you look at the way a lot of people get into testing, all right, so some people come from tech support, right? So let's put them in the category of helpers. They want to help. Some people come from the business. And so they're domain experts, but they also have a vested interest in making the system better. And they probably also want to take their expertise and help. So I remember a conference talk a while ago by Lee Copeland where he called testing a codependent activity. Now you just wire that for a moment. Now some people might be put off by that notion, but I think there's a lot of validity to it. And if I ask testers on average, what do you care about? Why are you here? What do you want to do this? I want to help. So if you put yourself in that situation, you want to help. Now, how do you know if you're helping? Well, really, you're a tester on a project. You find bugs. You tell people about bugs. Who likes you? I used to walk down the development hallway, and so the first person would see me, and then every door would shut after that, and they're like, whoa, if Dawn's in the hallway, it's bad. We don't want to know, la, 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 let's all just run away. We're the bearers of bad news too frequently, and I think we do a disservice to ourselves. And it's one of the things I talk about in one of my more recent classes where I say, when you find good things like, say, robustness or good performing applications, why don't you tell somebody about it? I say, why don't you buy a developer a donut? Just make friends and give people positive feedback as well, not just only the negative. You will be very surprised what kind of vibe actually comes back when you are giving people good, constructive feedback, whether it's positive or negative. And then that's a complete picture of giving I'd say, the value proposition of doing testing and assessment of software. So I think that could possibly be a contributing factor, is that testers want to know, am I doing the right stuff? Am I doing a good job? Because no one ever says good job. Everyone ever says, people will say, well, why are you always complaining? Why are you always, you guys have too many questions. Why are you always holding the release back? So I call that being a testing boat anchor. Now that's very different than what the folks who talk about the business value of testing. What's the business value of testing? That we're doing what the stakeholder team needs. So I don't want test teams to be boat anchors. I want them to enable projects.